Imagine a world where your farm tells you when it's thirsty, when crops are stressed, or when pests are creeping in. And yeah, all without stepping foot outside. Welcome to the future of farming, with automated agricultural monitoring systems. Hello Agrians. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. An automated agricultural monitoring system is a high-tech solution that uses sensors, cameras, and smart software to track farm conditions in real time. From soil moisture to crop health, it keeps you informed so you can make smarter, faster decisions. Let's break down the essential components that make up a modern, technology-driven agricultural system. Each part plays a unique role, working together to transform traditional farming into a smart, data-powered operation. By understanding these key elements, you'll see how technology is revolutionizing the way we grow food and manage resources. First, we have IoT sensors. These are the eyes and ears of the system, constantly monitoring the environment. They measure critical factors like temperature, humidity, soil moisture, and nutrient levels in real time. With these sensors embedded throughout the fields, farmers can get a detailed, up-to-the-minute picture of their crop's health and the surrounding conditions. This data is crucial for making informed decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and even predicting potential issues before they become problems. Next, drones have become an indispensable tool in smart agriculture. These flying devices are equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors, allowing them to capture aerial imagery and conduct crop surveillance over vast areas. Drones can quickly identify areas of stress, pest infestations, or water shortages that might not be visible from the ground. By providing a bird's-eye view, they help farmers act swiftly and efficiently, saving both time and resources. Cameras, both stationary and mobile, are another vital component. These smart cameras are strategically placed in greenhouses, fields, and storage areas to monitor plant growth and detect pests or diseases early. Advanced image recognition software can analyze footage to spot subtle changes in plant color or shape, alerting farmers to issues before they spread. This proactive approach helps maintain healthy crops and reduces the need for chemical interventions. All the information gathered by sensors, drones, and cameras needs to be collected and stored somewhere. That's where data hubs and cloud storage come in. These systems securely store massive amounts of data, making it accessible from anywhere at any time. Farmers and agronomists can review historical trends, compare seasons, and share insights with experts, all thanks to centralized data management. Finally, artificial intelligence and analytics tie everything together. Powerful algorithms process the vast streams of data, turning raw numbers into actionable insights. AI can predict weather patterns, recommend optimal planting times, and even automate responses like adjusting irrigation schedules. With these tools, farmers can make smarter, faster decisions, ultimately leading to higher yields, reduced waste, and more sustainable farming practices. Together, these components form the backbone of a smart farming system, enabling a new era of precision agriculture that's more efficient, productive, and environmentally friendly than ever before. So, how does it work? Let's break down the process of how smart farming technology is transforming agriculture from the ground up. Imagine a typical day on a modern farm. Instead of relying solely on intuition or traditional methods, farmers now have access to a network of advanced tools and sensors that monitor every aspect of their fields. Across the fields, tiny sensors are embedded in the soil and attached to plants. These devices constantly measure soil moisture, temperature, humidity, and even nutrient levels. Weather stations track rainfall, wind, and sunlight, providing a comprehensive picture of the farm's environment. All this data is collected automatically 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without the need for manual checks. Once gathered, the data is transmitted wirelessly to a central system, often hosted in the cloud. Here, powerful algorithms and artificial intelligence analyze the information, looking for patterns and trends. The system can detect early signs of plant stress, predict irrigation needs, and even forecast potential pest outbreaks, all in real time. The results are delivered straight to the farmer's fingertips through a mobile app or an online dashboard. Farmers receive instant notifications, detailed reports, and actionable recommendations tailored to their specific crops and conditions. This empowers them to make smarter decisions, optimize resources, and ultimately grow healthier, more abundant harvests with less guesswork and greater efficiency. Whether it's telling you to irrigate a specific zone or warning about an upcoming frost, this system takes the guesswork out of farming. So, the advantages? Well, it saves time and labor, boosts crop yield and quality, reduces resource wastage, supports precision farming, and, enables remote monitoring anytime, anywhere. But wait, it's not all perfect. While the promise of smart farming and advanced technology is exciting, it's important to recognize that there are still some significant hurdles and challenges that farmers face when adopting these new systems. Let's take a closer look at some of the most common limitations that can impact the effectiveness and accessibility of modern agricultural technology. First, there are a few limitations you should know about. For many farmers, especially those running small or family-owned operations, the learning curve can be steep. Adapting to new digital tools and understanding how to interpret the data they provide can be overwhelming, especially for those who are used to more traditional methods. Sometimes, there's even resistance to change, as the old ways have worked for generations. High initial setup costs can be a hurdle. Investing in smart sensors, automated machinery, and the software needed to run these systems can require a significant upfront investment. For many, this means taking out loans or seeking financial assistance, which isn't always possible. And it's not just the equipment. There are also ongoing costs for software subscriptions, updates, and repairs that can add up over time. Plus, you really need a stable internet connection for things to run smoothly. In rural areas where many farms are located, reliable high-speed internet can be hard to come by. Without it, real-time data collection and remote monitoring become difficult, if not impossible. This digital divide can leave some farmers unable to take full advantage of the latest technology, putting them at a disadvantage compared to those in better connected regions. Don't forget, sensor calibration and maintenance are also required. These devices need to be checked and adjusted regularly to ensure they're providing accurate information. Dust, mud, and weather can all affect sensor performance, so ongoing maintenance is a must. This adds another layer of work and responsibility for farmers, who are already juggling countless tasks each day. And well, the accuracy can be limited during extreme weather conditions. Heavy rain, storms, or even prolonged droughts can interfere with sensor readings and disrupt automated systems. In these moments, farmers may have to rely on their own experience and intuition to make critical decisions. So, while technology offers incredible benefits, it's important to remember that it isn't a magic solution, and being prepared for these challenges is just as important as embracing innovation. The scope of automated agricultural monitoring is, honestly, massive. As AI, IoT, and 5G technology keep evolving, we're heading toward, fully autonomous farms that can make decisions on their own, from seeding all the way to harvesting. From small-scale farms to mega agriculture corporations, automated monitoring systems are totally transforming how we grow food. It's efficient, sustainable, and just really smart. So, want to future-proof your farm? Start exploring automated monitoring today. Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smart farming insights.